We are one of the world's largest commercial vehicle manufacturers, and we do employ about 100,000 plus of people at more than 40 locations. This is across North America, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Also, we do have numerous sales and service locations all over the globe. So we develop innovative technologies for our trucks and buses, and next generation product development is always and has been a part of our digitalization initiatives. We have an ambition to create a globally integrated IT and engineering platform, and this will help us in leveraging the most advanced technologies to build the future of transportation and make the business of our customers very successful. We are using as of now 3 critical products, which are Axway Secure Transport, Transfer CFT, and Axway Flow Manager. These are very critical in our production environments and also testing environments, which includes the testing and production and go-live phases. The ease of administration, the beautiful graphical dashboards to get a better view of what is happening in the application, what is happening with the transactions, the better visibility I couldn't see in any of the other middleware products in the market. These products are very critical for our business operations, and we almost have like 5+ million transfers with these individual products alone. We do achieve these file transfer scenarios with the business to business and business to customers, B2B and B2C scenarios also. We are using it across the globe, and it includes APAC, EMEA, and NAFTA, LATAM. Axway products are very critical, and our production lines are completely dependent on Axway products, and if there is any downtime, then our production lines are getting impacted with us. Why did we choose Axway, and why would we recommend Axway is like it's about the credibility in the MFT space, whatever Axway holds in the market. Be it in a hybrid cloud approach or whatever it is, Axway has been pioneer and leader in enterprise data integration for almost 2 decades. And their solutions, their expertise, and their experience has been guiding our business throughout the shift of the digital terrain. Axway, they have been creating more value to its customers by securely integrating and moving the data across the complex of old and new technologies, especially from the legacy to the new technologies, whatever we have. And in future, we are planning to use Axway products for implementing in business critical solutions as required by our critical application owners.